So I bought a fan to make an air purifier, and you know how sometimes they say some assembly required? Like you have to install the handle and put the batteries in. So with this one, they gave you the option to save $15 by assembling it yourself. So I thought like maybe a few screws and some stuff, I can do that no problem, and this is how it arrived. We got the bubble wrap, instructions saying make sure that the airflow goes the right direction. And then we have 4 Cool Master fans, the frame, power supply, and then a bag of cables, zip ties, and duct tape. So this is awesome. We got to build the whole thing. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Information about the warranty. And then we have the instructions for the Brisk Box. And it says, take the 4 fan grills, put it on the framework, and then firmly attach the fan grills to the top of the fan with each push pin provided, 4 for each grill. All right, there's the first step done. All right, it says fan specs face the grill and holographics filter face the inside, or where the rest of the box will be built this way. Oh, nice. Nice snug fit. This one in the middle is going to be the hardest to get pressure on both sides. I'm filming on the iPhone 15 Pro, which is supposed to have studio quality microphones for advanced noise reduction. That way it can filter out the background noise and the wind noise. The reason this company picked Cool Master computer fans for their box fan design instead of a traditional box fan is because these move more air more quietly than a regular box fan would. All right, tuck fan cables between the fans and secure with zip ties through the hole in the back of the fan. All right. It says warranty voided with warranty voided if removed on these tags, so I don't want to rip them off even though they're kind of in the way. So we have 4 zip ties here. And we're gonna have to cinch these things down so they don't move anywhere. There we go.